Scope mouthwash is on sale for $3, and if you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward. I currently have 2 $1 off digital coupons. So you guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $4, but then you get that $4 register reward, making them for free. So the Oral-B toothbrushes are $3 on sale. I actually have a 7 off of 3 digital coupon that's popping up for this one. You guys want to buy 3 of them, you would use this coupon. You would only pay $2, but then you get the $4 register reward and making them free. The Colgate toothpaste is currently on sale for $2.99. We do have 2 different digitals, but make sure you clip the higher one. So we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $1.98 when you buy 2 of them, but then you get that $2 register reward, making them absolutely free. If you do a separate transaction and do the $3 one, you'll get each one for 50 cents a piece. So we have these big pens on sale for $2.99. They are currently buy one, get one 50% off. We do have some digital coupons, 3 off of 2. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you end up getting them for $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece. If you want something a little bit fancy, these are $3.49. You can still use a second coupon if you guys need to. Those would be $2.23 or just $1.12, depending on what deal you guys want to do. The Hershey's candy bars are on sale for $1.99. Now we do have a $1 off of 2 coupon that's in the Walgreens booklet, or you guys can clip it to your card on the app. But you guys can choose between the regular chocolate, the almond chocolate, or they have the cookies and cream. Now if your store is sold out of these in the aisle, check the actual candy aisle. Plus there's always a spot for deals of the week that's in front of the store. So just want to give you guys a heads up. The Persil laundry detergent is currently on sale for $4.99. We do have a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use. Plus we have insert coupons if you guys got those. But they come out to just be $2.99. The Downy fabric softener, and then we have the Downy Unstoppables, and then there is the Tide, but the Tide I think is not labeled correctly. But they are currently on sale for $2.99. If you buy 3 of them, you guys will get, it'll come out to be $8.97. But then you get a $3 register reward when you buy 3. So it comes out to be just $5.97 or just about $2 a piece if you need to do that deal. The Renews-Its are on sale for 89 cents. Now we do have a, we do have a buy 4 get 2 free digital coupon. So you guys want to do that deal, you would pay $3.56 for this. But there is a $1 off of 3 rebate with Ibotta. So you guys want to submit your receipt for that. You would get these for $2.56 or just 42 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. If you need some garbage bags, they are currently on sale too for $10, which is a pretty decent deal. So you guys can choose between these kind of bags or these, just depending on what you need. If you guys need some cereal, they do have the Post cereal on sale for $1.99. You got Cocoa Pebbles, honey bunches of oats, and that is all that I'm seeing. If you're craving some Cheez-Its while you guys are shopping, the Cheez-Its are currently on sale for $1.99. We also have a 50-cent off digital coupon, so you guys will get them for $1.49, which is an okay deal for some snacks. The Complete Home or Nice bags are currently changing them, are on sale for $2.79. If you buy 1 at $2.79, you guys get 2 free. So basically they come out to be just 93 cents a piece. You got freezer bags, sandwich bags, awesome deal. If you guys need some aluminum foil, there is a coupon to get these for 99 cents in the app, so you guys can get those for just 99 cents if you need to stock up on some aluminum foil.